So today let's look at cutting matless on our Siser cutting machines. So here is my Juliet, and that's what we are going to be working on today. So it's very easy to transition from cutting matless to cutting on a mat with the Siser cutting machines, and very easy to do. So first of all, you want to make sure that all those rollers that you have are over the black grit on the bottom of the machine. You're going to feed in your rolled vinyl. You can feed it in from the back or the front. I just find it easier to do it from the back. And then you're going to line it up with your mark on the side there to make sure that everything is in position. Now, it is crucial that when you are cutting matless, that all your rollers are over that black grit and over your material. Okay, if they are off to the side, as I'm going to demonstrate here, so it's sort of half on the material, half off, what's going to happen is the material is going to grab in one point and not quite grab in another, and it won't feed correctly, which means that it won't cut correctly. So sort of half of your sheet will cut fine, and then you'll have this little bit that's not cutting on the end. So always make sure that if you are cutting matless, regardless of what material you are using, that all your rollers are A, on the material, and B, placed over that grit on the bottom of the machine. And then you can just line everything up and proceed to cut your material.
We'd love you to support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with all your friends, and also subscribe to us so you don't miss out on anything new that we put out.